Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Omnipod. I'm going to make a video later on why I decided to switch to the Omnipod, but that will be in a different video. So in this box, I should have my PDM. I should also have the little gel case that they send with it. And another thing that I should have in here is just like welcome manuals and quick guides and everything like that, all the boring stuff. This is so exciting. All right, so right in the box, when you first open it up, as you can see, it's just a lot of bubble wrap. So cool. All right, so basically it is just one giant bag that has everything in it inside of here. Just one very large bag, which I will go through in a second, of course. And the next thing in the box is the starter kit. And this one just appears to be the PDM and an initial pod, and it says, "Congrats, Potter." So I will look at this second. So here's another look at everything that is inside here. As you can see, there's the gel case and then some pods and then of course some user manuals. But I'll go through it in a little bit in depth now. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is just the Omnipod gel case. And I got it in baby blue. When I ordered it, they gave me a long list of different colors, and the one that stuck out to me most was baby blue because that is my favorite color. But it's just a little silicone case that you put over your PDM. And if you're not familiar with an Omnipod, a PDM is same as the blood glucose meter and also the remote. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is this next thing that I'm pulling out right here. And this is a lancing device. This is the Freestyle lancing device. Now the next thing in here is they're just giving you some lancets for your lancing device. Weird. The next thing here is a USB cable, which I'm assuming you can use to get your data from your PDM onto your computer. Now the next thing in the box is just the Freestyle Lite test strips. And these are the test strips that you can use with your PDM because your PDM is also a blood glucose meter. So these are the strips that it uses. And now the next thing is the pods. I've got 2 packs of 10 in here. They did send you one initially, but I decided to get 2 just so I wouldn't have to go through this process again. So I've got 2 months of pods here, and I want to see what it looks like. But this is what the box looks like. Just has all the pods in there, nice and lined up, so organized looking. And then the last thing that they have in here, this is just the Caregiver guide. And this probably has all of the instructions and stuff that I will read later, but not on camera, of course. Yeah, it just says congratulations, and it's got how to set up your PDM and menus, and you know, it's literally an instruction manual. So I'm not gonna make you guys read that, but I'll give you a little flip through instruction manual. So yeah, that is the last thing in this bag. So now I'm going to move on to the second one, which is also the last one, right here. And this one has the starter kit. Ta-da! On the box, it just says some instructions for your training session and also where you can put your pods when you're an adult or a child. And then it has the PDM in there and then also a little case. All right, so the PDM just comes in this sleek little box, and I can already tell by the box it is smaller than I thought it was. So you just slide the box right off, like so. There is a little foam insert. Even comes with a battery, because they're so kind. This is tiny. But yeah, so that's the PDM, and then of course the gel case goes over it, makes it a little cuter. And the last thing on the top layer is this case. And this is where you put your PDM, but it just has the spot for the PDM there, and it has the spot for the strips here and the lancets, and you know, all the normal diabetes stuff goes in here, and it just, it's black, it says Omnipod. Now underneath here, you can take the top layer out, and then there's just a couple things in there. But in here, all you've got is the user guide. So thank you so much for watching my video of me unboxing the Omnipod. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I really hope to upload more videos about the Omnipod. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!